Welcome back. My name is Danielle and I am the owner of Spoil Yourself Natural. It's been a while. It's been a couple weeks. I know I haven't put anything out. So if you are returning, welcome back. If you're new, hello. I have been gone for a little while. I ended up having a couple things go on. I went on a wonderful 10-day vacation. So needed. It's been years since we had like a real vacation out of state or not like just camping or something. We ended up going to Walt Disney World and it was amazing. I haven't been since I was a teenager. So much fun, but I'm exhausted. And then the other thing, it's a little bit different in the background, is I have a new studio. So we've moved a couple things around in my home and now I have a different studio. And I love it so far. It's really nice to be able to organize and have everything, for the most part, in one place instead of a little bit all throughout the house. So I'm really excited about that. I've been putting everything together. So I just wanted to do a quick video on here just of my new studio so you could take a look around. And then hopefully I will be back next week with a full video. I have a handful that need to be edited, so hopefully I'll get those up. I have one of a couple markets that I've done, and then a couple of like making, and then we can do like a chit chat with packing. So I will see you hopefully next week. I hope you enjoy the quick tour of my new studio. And on these walls right here will be some shelving for all of my essential oils and books. See you next week.